representatives, may I respectfully...
Mawkyrwat remains the only district headquarters. The proposed complex will be the operation of vital district roads.
It's not easy for us as a government to sanction these kind of projects because they are very large. 140 crores from state's own money is not a simple and small project. 140 crores coming in from the state's budget reflects the importance, reflects the commitment that this government has towards the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. The people of Southwest Khasi Hills will always be in our hearts. We will always prioritize projects in this area. We will do our best to ensure that the attention that you deserve, you get that attention. And efforts of our NDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts. So it gives me also a great sense of satisfaction to be here to finally see the dreams, the aspirations, and the commitment today come true. I'm very hopeful that the work for this will start very, very soon. And I expect that within the next 12 months to 15 months time, we should be able to see almost the whole road complete. There could be some stretches where technical problems may be there, but I'm sure most of it should be complete by or before Christmas next year.